Tidy up the room. Tidy up the room. Please tidy up your room before the party tonight. Please tidy up your room before the party tonight. Wash the car. Wash the car. I washed my car yesterday. I washed my car yesterday. Wipe the table. Wipe the table. Please wipe the table after lunch. Please wipe the table after lunch. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. I'll do the dishes after eating. I'll do the dishes after eating. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. I take out the trash before leaving for work every day. I take out the trash before leaving for work every day. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Please fold the clothes before putting them away in the drawer. Please fold the clothes before putting them away in the drawer. Clean the bathroom. Clean the bathroom. I need to clean the bathroom. I need to clean the bathroom. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Could you please sweep the floor after you finish eating? Could you please sweep the floor after you finish eating? Do the laundry. Do the laundry. He always does the laundry on Saturday. He always does the laundry on Saturday. Set the table. Set the table. Could you please set the table for dinner? Could you please set the table for dinner? Make the bed. Make the bed. Don't forget to make the bed. Don't forget to make the bed. Scrub the floor. Scrub the floor. I am scrubbing the floor in the kitchen. I am scrubbing the floor in the kitchen. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. I went outside to hang the clothes on the clothesline. I went outside to hang the clothes on the clothesline. Defrost the freezer. Defrost the freezer. I defrosted the freezer before going out. I defrosted the freezer before going out. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. Please dust the furniture before guests arrive. Please dust the furniture before guests arrive. Water the plants. Water the plants. Don't forget to water the plants. Don't forget to water the plants. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. I forgot to mop the floor this morning after sweeping. I forgot to mop the floor this morning after sweeping. Put away the groceries. Put away the groceries. He is putting away the groceries. He is putting away the groceries. Clean the windows. Clean the windows. I need to clean the window before I repaint it. I need to clean the window before I repaint it. Dry the dishes or wipe the dishes. Dry the dishes or wipe the dishes. Could you please dry the dishes after washing them? Could you please dry the dishes after washing them? Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. I must iron the clothes for you tonight. I must iron the clothes for you tonight. Pick up the toys. Pick up the toys. Don't forget to pick up your toys before you leave. Don't forget to pick up your toys before you leave. Clean the toilet. Clean the toilet. I clean the toilet once a week. I clean the toilet once a week. Shake out the rug. Shake out the rug. She shook out the rug on the back doorstep. She shook out the rug on the back doorstep.